All right. Well, that's nice. Way to start a video. And you know why it's so nice? I'm gonna show you here in a second. A big old piece of it. Because that's City Hall. And there's a police department somewhere over there, a fire department. Oh my God. Like I said, 45 uphills, no problem. Now it's time to go down. And remember, we're 5 miles off. Might have to use one of our old high school tricks. Well, I don't know if that was the right turn lane. But we'll find out. Oh, we got a car. Oh, that's good.